Hey everyone, welcome back to some Real Field Fishing. Today I'm out here gonna throw some moving baits. It's the middle of fall and I know they're on the chase bite. This water temperature's got to be in the 50s. So I'm gonna be throwing jackhammers, rattle traps, swim baits. So hopefully you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Yeah, that's a fish. Oh, might have lost. Nope, it's coming right at me. Okay. You know, I felt like I missed a fish early. Nice. Alright. This one on the rattle trap. I think this is a different brand, but lipless crankbait. Cool. Alright, a little chunky guy, probably pushing 2 pounds. Maybe a little under 2 pounds. Nice. That is a fish. Skating. Got you skating. Didn't even feel you bite, buddy. Oh, you're cold and lethargic, man. Oh, wow. Cool. Nice little fish. That's another one. Nice. This fish choked it, dude. He choked it. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Wow. Golly, dude. You were on an agenda. Alright, little guy. Get him back in the water, though. There you go, dude. Thank you. I'm gonna toss around this micro jackhammer. I just cut the trailer down because it was falling apart. I just want to try to get every last bit out of them as possibly can. Oh, that's another fish on the messed up jackhammer. That feels like a decent fish. Oh yeah, that feels like a decent fish. Look at that bucket. Look at that bucket. Nice. I'm gonna retie after that one. Woo! Look how thick that fish is, dude. Oh my gosh. Dude, that fish is like 6 inches thick. Oh. It's awesome. I just almost want to weigh this fish because this fish is probably like 16 inches long but almost 3 pounds. What a gorgeous fish. Alright, I'll get you back into the water. you go. Fight another day. Oh, that is a fish. Oh, that's a nice one, guys. That's another nice one. Nice. Oh my goodness, again with the chokeness. These fish absolutely want the jackhammer. And that's another nice chunky 2-pounder, 2 1/4 maybe. Look at that. I think I've caught this fish before. Not this year, but over the years. Oh, what a great another fish that is. Off you go, buddy. Little mud marlin jumping. So basically all I'm doing is I'm throwing this jackhammer with the wind kind of to my back, and there's a point right out here and then a ledge, so I'm throwing it off to the ledge. I'm fishing the ledge essentially. I'm fishing it that way, and then I'm reeling it back in here and it's on this ledge. But like I said, there's also a point straight out there, so I'm just hitting this ledge. And it seems like they're pretty stacked up there. They're even hitting this jackhammer with half of a Keitech on it, and it's upside down. It almost doesn't even matter. I think it might be just the vibrations, the wind, a little bit of sunlight. It's all like perfect conditions right now. Another one. Oh gosh. These fish are murdering this jackhammer right now. Nice. Little stud, man. These fish are just thick in the gut. I don't even know what the water temperature is here. I'm gonna say the water temperature's in the mid-50s. So they probably have their feed bag on right now. Dude, that like fell into its mouth. What the? That's a small one, but stay down, man. It's coming right at me. That was crazy. That fell right into that fish's mouth. Hands down. On the drop. That fish was caught on the drop. Nice. Another one. Another one on the jackhammer. Little guy. She gone. Feels like a decent fish. Oh, that's hooked weird. I don't know, he got it right on the top of the mouth. Huh. Oh, there he goes. Thanks, buddy. Dude, this Keitech is holding on, just holding on. I wonder if I put a better one on, they might be hitting it more. So all I'm throwing today is just a jackhammer, Hite Delight. with a Keitech electric blue and Chartreuse paddle tail. I think they're called the Swing Impact or Swing Fat Impact. But I tried a rattle trap and it's just too weedy. I ended up catching a fish, losing a couple. Tried the dark sleeper, tried another couple swim baits. They're definitely hitting moving baits right now though, so that's always fun. It's that time of the year. That feels like a good fish. Oh yeah, he's putting some head shakes into it. Nope, he's coming up. And he's gonna skate home. What's up with these fish? They like fight and then they just give up. Oh, and then now you just go crazy when you get to the bank. Bottom lipped them. This fish is ice cold, man. Nice little bass. That was cool. That was really cool to see. Oh, see you later, buddy. Oh, that was awesome. It's a nice one. Or healthy bass. Nice. On the old jackhammer. Nice. Yeah, it feels good. Feels good to get a nice fall bite on the jackhammer. Whoa, buddy. You just went all sorts of the wrong way. There you go. Just as the rain is starting, that might be the end of my day, because we're about to get some bad storms coming soon here. It's already 10+-mile-an-hour winds and starting to drizzle. It's gonna be downhill from here, but hey, it's a nice bass. Nice bass. Ah, dude, what are you doing here, buddy? Thank you.